In this video, we'll explore the procedures and complexities involved in navigating status changes after visa approval in the United States. This comprehensive guide will provide insights into the basics, common scenarios, key considerations, and the importance of seeking professional guidance when dealing with immigration matters. Here's what we will cover in today's video. We will start with understanding the basics of changing your immigration status in the U.S. Then, we explore common scenarios and move on to key considerations in the process. We'll also cover employment-based petitions and the importance of seeking guidance from a professional. Understanding the basics is crucial when navigating changes in immigration status. Change of status, or COS, involves transitioning from one non-immigrant visa category to another, such as moving from an F1 student visa to an H-1B work visa. On the other hand, adjustment of status, or AOS, refers to changing from a non-immigrant visa to an immigrant visa, which can ultimately lead to obtaining a green card. An example of this is transitioning from an H-1B work visa to an EB-2 green card. Let's discuss common scenarios where individuals might consider changing their immigration status in the USA. Many enter the U.S. on a specific visa type, such as a B-2 tourist visa, and later decide to change their status to something like an F-1 student visa. Another common situation is an individual on an H-1B work visa who wishes to transition to an employment-based immigrant visa like the EB-2 or EB-3. There are critical considerations and potential pitfalls you should be aware of. First is the 90-day rule, which suggests that if you take actions that contradict the intended purpose of your visa within the first 90 days of entering the U.S., it may lead to questions about misrepresentation. Intended entry is another crucial point. You must accurately represent your purpose when you first enter the U.S. Lastly, it's vital to understand the application process, which involves forms such as the I-485 for adjusting status. Let's test your knowledge with a quick question. What is the key difference between change of status, COS, and adjustment of status, AOS? Is it A, COS is non-immigrant to non-immigrant, AOS is non-immigrant to immigrant, B, COS is transitioning to a green card, AOS is for non-immigrant visas only, or C, COS involves employment-based changes, AOS involves student visas? You may pause the video now to think about the answer. We will discuss the answer in the next section of the video. The correct answer is A. Change of status, COS, involves changing visa types within the non-immigrant category, such as moving from a student visa to a work visa. Adjustment of status, AOS, on the other hand, is the path from a non-immigrant visa to becoming a permanent resident, leading to a green card. This distinction is essential when considering immigration status changes. For those who have approved employment-based petitions, changing your status involves filing Form I-485. This form is crucial for adjusting your status to a permanent resident. It's important to note that eligibility for this adjustment also depends on the availability of visa numbers. When considering changing your immigration status, it is highly advised to consult with an experienced immigration attorney. Immigration law is highly complex, and a legal professional can provide tailored advice that specifically addresses your circumstances and aligns with the applicable regulations. To wrap up, remember that understanding the fundamental differences between change of status and adjustment of status is crucial. Be mindful of common scenarios where status change may apply. Consider important factors such as the 90-day rule and your intent at entry. Finally, know your options, especially regarding employment-based petitions. That's it for today's video. We hope this guide on navigating status changes after visa approval in the U.S. has been helpful. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights on similar topics. We'd love to hear your thoughts, so please leave a comment below.